Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word ordinances. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Local government ordinances dictate the rules and regulations for building codes within the city limits. Ordinances are laws or regulations established by a local government or authority to govern conduct and activities within a specific area. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.